Okay, problem number 12. Ms. Gosh is really hungry. She bought 5 hamburgers for a total of $26. She later got hungry again and ordered another hamburger for $4. What is the mean cost for all of the hamburgers? So the total amount of money she spent was $26 plus $4 or $30. For $30 she bought, well, first she bought 5 hamburgers and then she ordered another, so that's altogether 6 burgers. $30 for 6 burgers. If we want to know the average cost or the mean cost for one hamburger, we would spread this total cost out evenly among the 6 burgers to find out on average how much a burger cost, and that would be 30 divided by 6 or $5. Kyle was shopping for a birthday present. He was looking to buy some sunglasses for his girlfriend. The sunglasses varied in price from $55 to $85. Which measure of data can be used to describe the variation in price of the sunglasses? So we need to understand what this means when they say the glasses varied in price from $55 to $85. If we make a quick sketch of a line plot, we have $55 here, $85 here, and so what this means, varied in price from 55 to 85, it means the lowest or the cheapest least expensive sunglasses he looked at were $55, the most expensive were $85, and then he looked at some sunglasses all in this price range. All the sunglasses he looked at were between 55 and 85. So the measure of the data, our 4 choices are mean, median, mode, range. The measure of the data that describes the variation in price would be the range, because they're talking about from 55, the low, to the high. So the difference in price, the difference from the greatest to the least, so that's range. Number 14. A teacher counted how many students in each class had their supplies for the day. The results are shown in the table below. Which measure of the data is not represented by 18? So we're going to figure out the mean, median, mode, and range of this data and find the one that is not equal to 18. First thing I want to do is put my data in order from least to greatest. 15, 17, 18, 18, 22. The easiest measure of the data to find, I think, is the mode. 18 occurs twice, that's the mode, but we're trying to find the one that is not equal to 18, so the answer is not the mode. The middle number here would be 18, so that's our median, and we're trying to find the one that's not equal to 18, so that's not correct. The range would be subtract the smallest from the largest, so subtract 15 from 22. 22 minus 15 is 7. That is not equal to 18, so the range is the correct answer. Number 15. The table below shows the number of pizzas sold over a 6-week period. Which statement is supported by the data? Which statement is supported by the data? So we're looking for the true statement. A, the total number of pizzas sold in weeks 1 through 3. So the total number for these 3 weeks was 200 less than the number of pizzas sold in weeks 4 through 6. 4 through 6. So let's add these up. 250 plus 150 plus 100, that's 500. And if we add 400 plus 200 plus 100, that's 700. Now let's read it again. The total number of pizzas sold in weeks 1 through 3 was 200 less than the number of pizzas sold in weeks 4 through 6. 500 is 200 less than 700, and we're looking for the true statement, so A is the correct answer. I do want to talk about answer choice B though. The ratio of pizzas sold in week 3 to week 5. So ratio, when you're setting up a ratio, the order matters. They're giving us the order week 3 to week 5. So week 3 is 100 to week 5, which is 200. 100 to 200, or if we simplified that, 1 to 2. 1 to 2 is not the same as 2 to 1. Those are not equivalent, so that's why this answer choice is incorrect. Okay, we'll pick up the review with the last problem, problem 16, on the next video.